Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome back to Kaspa. Covering it again, we had to do it, of course. The bullish momentum yesterday continued, which was expected, I believe, if you watch my video. I still have some things to clarify about Kaspa and my analysis on Kaspa, but we'll talk about what's possible from here. Kaspa was able to get a bullish breakout above this 4.9 cents level earlier yesterday, but then it stopped at 5 cents. It hit 5 cents, just below the all-time high. And now, I would not say it's struggling, but there are some levels it needs to hold to remain bullish, right? I mean, if we talk about Kaspa in general, it still is very, very bullish right now. But the thing we want to see is new all-time highs. And then especially this level right here between 5.9 and 6.2 cents, which is the main resistance level above the current all-time high. So we'll talk about the possibilities of getting there. I'll try to tell you everything you need to know. Before we do that though, I do want to briefly mention that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals. For example, also a Kaspa short from this area, which we closed at entry because when there was a bullish breakout right here, it was quite unlikely that Kaspa would fall. So yeah, but you'll get my trades as signals there, but apart from that, you also gain access to a chat room full of traders, which is very valuable. So if you want to become a better trader, consider joining. For now, let's get into Kaspa. So someone in the comments of last video said that I turned, like I was bearish on Kaspa and I turned bullish, as if for some reason that's not possible. Because yes, I mean, when Kaspa found resistance here and we got a bearish confirmation by dropping down below 4 cents, I was bearish on that. That's part of trading. You have to know when to switch your bias. And already when it broke above 4 cents again, then I already thought, well, perhaps shorting is not the best idea. It does look like the market structure is bullish, and that's when I closed the short at entry. All right, so I did not make a loss on it because it was clear that after Kaspa broke above this level right here at 4.1 cents, that it was bullish. So yes, I was bearish first, then I saw bullish confirmation, and then I was bullish. All right, I was already bullish when it was right here, so it continued going up after that. But yeah, that's trading. You have to know when to switch your bias. So now my bias on Kaspa is bullish for a lot of reasons. I mean, first of all, Kaspa has an amazing community, which I'm sure all of you do know. And apart from that, if you take a look at some statistics right here, volume is still amazing. Open interest is dropping down a little bit, but it's not even down 10% from the all-time high. So open interest could still continue going up from here. It's definitely not bearish. So altogether, a lot of statistics right here are still pointing out that Kaspa is bullish. Now, if we really want to see a new all-time high, what we would need to see then is some sort of a new bullish breakout, which in my eyes, the next bullish breakout really only needs to be 5 cents. Like the all-time high is around 5.15 cents. Technically, that's like it's only because it's the all-time high, but usually, or I think that if Kaspa is able to break above 5 cents here, then it will just forget about that all-time high, or it will just find some resistance and then a bullish break retest and continue going up, probably first to 5.5 cents, and because that's a minor psychological level in the way of getting towards 5.9 and 6.2 cents. But that would be my first price target, and I do think that's the most likely scenario right now. Now, you do have to be careful though. I mean, in the end, Bitcoin is showing some bullish momentum, but it's not bullish yet, on the 4-hour time frame at least. So that bearish momentum from the market could come, and that could ruin a lot. Like for example, right now also with Kaspa, the volume is great, but if the volume starts dropping down from here, and then at the same point, at the same moment, the open interest also keeps dropping down, then that means that Kaspa is losing a lot of momentum, all right? So that could be, right now that's not the case, all right? Right now it's still technically and fundamentally bullish. But if the volume and the open interest start dropping down, and you see Kaspa or the price of Kaspa also dropping down and closing below, for example, 4.6 cents, well, then there's trouble in the air, all right? Now, like I said, this isn't the most likely scenario, but it is a scenario. So if you're trading Kaspa, you just have to track that volume, have to track that open interest, see what that's doing, and then compare that with what the price is doing. So this is still most likely scenario for now, But I will keep you updated on that. I'll probably cover Kaspa daily. So if you're interested in that, consider subscribing. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.